out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my YouTube channel, I got a question about Amuse, which is a digital distribution platform that I use, right? Just so y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Amuse, right? It's a digital music distribution service, and I recommend using this service when you practicing Spotify method. Now, I got a question today asking, does Amuse pay out when you use the Spotify method? And the answer is simple, yes. Now, to show y'all proof, I'm gonna go into my PayPal account, right? And like I said on previous videos, Amuse pays out at the end of the month, right? Amuse pays out on the end of the month. I went over, my favorite music distribution platforms. I made a video about that. I made a video about the top 3 free music distribution platforms. Amuse was one of those. And Amuse have been paying out, and they pay out at the end of the month, and I know a lot of the pay cycles from these companies because I'm involved with all of these companies. Now, you can see Amuse sent me $276, man. $276 Amuse sent me on this account. And yeah, man, I'm just showing y'all that Amuse is paying out, right? Paid by Amuse, as you can see at the bottom, right? Paid by Amuse, right? And they pay out through a system called a hyper wallet, and it's real simple, man. It's real easy. As soon as the money is available, it's one click and it's there, right? You can see they sent me this 3 p.m. You know what I'm saying? I just had noticed it at 3 p.m. 3:32. They sent it instant. It was at within the same time frame as me sending it out. So for those of you who wonder, does Amuse pay out for the Spotify method? Yes, they do. Spotify method uses real Spotify premium accounts, and it's multiple different social media agencies promoting these services. I'm just the most transparent. So if y'all need help with Spotify, with promoting your music, visit my website, leave a comment, send me an email. I'll be glad to help. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out.